Okay, welcome back to Pocket Knife Part 2. Now, this is probably only gonna take 1.5 minutes. Because I'm just gonna show you from the previous video the knife going into the pocket. But for starting off, this is where the knife's gonna go in. The bottom part should look like a square, just like this. That's where you're gonna insert the knife. And the other side should look like a circle, just like that. And you're gonna tape that part up. So I'll show you.
No!
Back that and tape up. Yeah, just like that. Get your blade, insert to the square one.
Fudge.
There you go. There's the pocket knife. Just like this one. This one. I mean, like, you can, like, cut it to match with this.
What?
Right here. Just right here. Where the thing is at. And cut it up. Tape it again. Tape it up. And there you go. There's your pocket knife. Sharp as well. Like I'm saying. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed that 2-minute video. And peace upside down. Peace.